If you don't like yawning but still do it, then you're just like the rest of us. Let's find out why. You see someone yawn, and suddenly you're yawning too. Scientists think it might be a brain cooling trick. Yawning helps cool our brains. But there's more. It might also be about social bonding. When we yawn together, it's like we're saying, hey, we're in this together. And it's not just humans. Even animals yawn. Your dog, your cat, even your pet hamster. So next time you yawn, remember you're just being super cool and social. Did this make you yawn? Let me know in the comments.